Actually, calorie restriction for longevity goes back quite a bit, back to the 16th century. I wrote about this in my book, The Anti-Aging Zone, published in 1999. The story started with Luigi Cornaro. He was a Venetian nobleman who was living the good life. He was obese, drinking too much, and his doctor says, Luigi, you're going to basically die very quickly. So Luigi took things in his own hands, went on a very strict calorie-restricted diet, and wrote his first best-selling diet book at age 89. Wrote his third best-selling diet book at age 99, showing basically here, if you restrict calories, a strict calorie-restricted diet, you will live longer. Now, not much came about this for the next 400 years, until somebody known as Clive McCay basically took rats and put half the rats on a calorie-restricted basis, and the other half gave them what they wanted to eat. The rats who basically were calorie-restricted lived significantly longer. They said, well, that's maybe what I do for rats. Well, it turns out that basically it also works in humans. But the first large-scale trials were only completed in 2015. And what did they find out? These were not obese individuals like Luigi Cornaro. These were average person who were healthy. They became more healthy only by restricting their calories by a small amount. And more importantly, organ function began to come back. So we have now a long history of basically calorie restriction in humans that says if we restrict calories, you will live longer and live better. Now, why? It turns out one of the benefits of calorie restriction is to kill a group of cells called senescent cells. These are the cells that increase as you age. They're also known scientifically as zombie cells. So the more you kill the zombies, the longer you live. And the best way to kill the zombie cells? Restrict calories. It's worked for the last 500 years. It'll probably work for the next 500 years going forward.